Hello students, this is Sandeep Kumar Singh. I hope you all are fine and healthy. So today I am going to explain a very beautiful poem, Makaviti, the Mystery Cat, from class 8 standard of Honeydew book, CBSC. So students, Makaviti, the Mystery Cat, it is written by T.S. Eliot. T.S. Eliot, his full name was Thomas Sterne Eliot. He was born on 26th September 1888 at St. Louis in USA. He was a poet, essayist, publisher, playwright, literary critic, and an editor. Students, some of his best known poems are The Wasteland, The Love Song of J. Alfred Prufrock. So students, let me know that do you have a pet cat? I think you might have, isn't it? So have you ever noticed anything mysterious about it? It is not easy to say whether every cat is a mystery, but Makaviti is one. Okay students, what is it that makes him a perfect mystery cat? Read the poem and let us find out. So, the poem is about a cat called Makaviti. He is also called the Hidden Paw, a master criminal who can defy and break any human law. So, in this poem, the poet has used personification as he used he for the cat instead of it. The poet calls Makaviti mystery cat. Okay students? So now let us see the poem line by line. Now here on the screen you can see the image of Makaviti. Okay, let us see the poem. Makaviti is a mystery cat. He is called the Hidden Paw, for he is the master criminal who can defy the law. Here defy means, do you know? Defy means to break. Okay, to break the law. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard. Bafflement means, you may note it down, bafflement means confusion or puzzled. Okay, he is the bafflement of Scotland Yard. The flying squads disappear, for when they reach the scene of crime, Makaviti is not there. Okay students, the poet says that he defies means breaks. Who breaks? The cat, Makaviti. He defies law again and again, but is never caught. Even the police force and the biggest detective agency, here you know the Scotland Yard. This Scotland Yard is the biggest detective agency. The police force and the biggest detective agency, the crime searching agency in the United Kingdom called Scotland Yard. Flying squads of England have failed to arrest him. Okay students, so even the biggest detective agencies, flying squads, police force, all of them have failed to arrest the Makaviti, the mystery cat. Okay? When flying squads reaches the scene or the place of crime, Makaviti is not there, and that is why the Scotland Yard is puzzled. Okay, that is why it has been said that the Scotland Yard or the police force, they are puzzled. Okay students, now let us proceed. Makaviti, Makaviti, there is no one like Makaviti. He has broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. Law of gravity, you know, Newton's law. Okay, his powers of levitation. Here levitation means what? Levitation means floating in the air. Okay, floating in the air without any support, that is called levitation. His power of levitation would make a fakir steer. And when you reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. You may seek him in the basement. Basement means what? Underground space is called basement. Okay, you may look up in the air. Okay, students, so these very lines, okay, says that in committing crime, no one is like Macavity. He is matchless. Okay, who is matchless? Macavity, the mystery cat. He is matchless in his field, in the field of crime. Okay, he can do any impossible task. He can disappear. He can break Newton's law of gravity. Okay, that means he can keep himself floating in the air without any support. That is why it has been said that he can break the Newton's law of gravity and float in the air without support. Okay, here fakir means, you know, fakir means a people who used to perform certain tricks by giving it a magic set. Okay, so even the fakir who proves themselves to be a magician would be astonished at the magic which cat creates, isn't it? Which cat creates. That means after committing the crime, okay, it becomes invisible. Okay, he will outwit you. You may look for him in the basement. Basement means, I have told you, that a space in the underground, isn't it? You may try to find him, okay, to look him in the basement, in the underground space, and even in the air too, but you will have no access to him. Okay, so that much quality that particular mystery cat was having. Okay, students, now let us see next. But I tell you once and once again, Macavity is not there. Here the poet is saying, okay, that again and again he is telling that if you will try to find out him even in the basement or even in the air, okay, it is totally in vain. I am reminding you again and again that you will not find him there. You will not find him on the place where he had committed the crime. Okay, after committing the crime, that cat Macavity used to become invisible. Macavity is a ginger cat. Here ginger means noiseless. Okay, too fast. Macavity was a what? Ginger cat. Okay, so noiseless, so fast, and he was very tall and thin. Physical appearance was that cat was, okay, so tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him. If you saw him, definitely you will come to know that yes, this is the Macavity. Okay, by looking its physical structure or features, okay, that Macavity was very tall and thin. For his eyes are sunken in. Okay, and by looking at the eyes of the Macavity also you can recognize. Okay, because its eyes are what, you know, sunken. Sunken means what? Deep set. Okay, deep set. His eyes are deep set in its face. Okay, his brow is deeply lined. Okay, brow means what? Brow means forehead. Okay, there are so many lines. Line means wrinkle marks. Wrinkle marks were there on its forehead. Okay, and his head is highly doomed. Okay, so Macavity's forehead is wrinkled. From that, he appears to be what? Lost in deep thinking all the time. His head sits high on his body. His head, you know, that seems to be high on his body like the dome on a building. Okay, his body is not well looked. Okay, even if you see him, his body is, it is not well look. His body is not well look. Let us see. But I will tell you once again, Macavity is not there. Macavity is a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken and his brow is deeply lined with thought. His head is highly doomed. Okay, so as it has been said about the physical structure of the Macavity, okay, that is, eyes are what? Deeply set inside, sunken, okay, and its what? Forehead is wrinkled, okay, and from that it appears that it lost in deep thinking all the time, okay, and his head sits high on his body like the dome on a building, okay. So his body is not well looked. So okay, by looking it, you can see that his body is not well managed, okay. His coat is dusty from neglect. His whiskers are uncombed. His coat is dusty. When you look, its appearance. Coats, okay, the coat which that mystery cat was wearing, that is dusty. His full body, that looks dusty. His whiskers are uncombed. Whiskers means, on the screen you can see, okay, that hair on the face of the animal, okay. You can see here some hairs are there on the face of the Macavity. Those hairs are called whiskers. His whiskers are uncombed. So by looking at it, it seems that his whiskers were what? Uncombed, not combed. He sways his head from side to side. Sways means what? To move. When he used to move his head, from side to side with movements like a snake, it appears as if snake is moving. Okay, his movement is compared with a snake. And when you think he is half asleep, okay, and when you think that he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. Macavity. There is no one like Macavity. And for he is a fiend in feline shape, a monster of depravity. Okay, students, so he moves his head from side to side like a snake, and he is always alert. Okay, he keeps himself always alert. When you think he is dozing, he is wide awake. In fact, what happens at that time also, it always remains wide awake. Macavity is devil in cat shape. Here one word you can see that, for he is a fiend. Fiend means what? Devil. Okay, in feline. Okay, feline means what? It's a cat. Feline means a cat like animals, or we can say cat also. So he is a devil. Okay, in the shape of what? In the physical structure, in the shape of a cat. He is not a cat, but in the shape of a cat, he is what? Devil. Okay, monster. So Macavity is a devil in cat shape, and he is morally corrupt. Okay, he is what? Depravity means what? One who used to be morally corrupt. So when you think he is sleeping, he is wide awake, in fact, and you may meet him and see him anywhere. But wherever his crime is discovered, you will not find him, okay, there. It is, see the line, you may meet him in by street, okay. You can meet him because he used to move here and there on the street, in the bylane, okay. You may see him in the square, in the marketplace also. You can see him moving, okay. But when some crime is discovered, then Macavity is not there. Okay, it has been said that what happened? You may meet him and seek him anywhere, but whenever his crime is discovered, you will not find him there. Okay, students? So this is the poem about Macavity, who is a creature who goes ahead, commits a crime and comes back. Okay, but never caught even by the biggest detective agencies also. So this is all about Macavity. I hope you have understood. Okay, so students, if you like my videos, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.